Y'all, it is the season for seafood, and y'all know what that means. Cajun butter and lots of it. This is a recipe that I came up with years ago. So here's the deal. This is a this or that recipe. You're going to use 1 teaspoon for 4 blocks of butter or 1 tablespoon for 6 blocks of butter. Same thing with the brown sugar. You can use 1 to 2 teaspoons or 1 to 2 tablespoons. Same thing with your minced garlic, minced onion, and minced ginger. You're going to use this or that, this or that, this or that. So I hope that makes sense. That's just what made sense to me when I wrote this out. And make sure that you have all of the lemons that you want. These are all the seasonings that I am using here. They are listed for you guys on that sheet of paper. So make sure you take a screenshot of that because that is going to be your best friend for years to come. The only thing I'm using differently here is I'm using a little monk fruit sweetener instead of brown sugar. So here I've got my 4 blocks of butter melting. Here is my seasoning mixture. I'm going to go ahead and add that right into my pan. And I'm going to let this cook for probably 15 to 20 minutes just to allow all those seasonings and flavors to develop and marry together. I'm going to tell you right now, though, I'm not responsible for anything that happens after y'all try this. This stuff is so good, I would drop a boot in it and lick it off. It is delicious. So for my bowl, I'm going to use sausage, boiled egg, and shrimp. I'm going to use this Zatarain seasoning just to flavor the water a little and add a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to add some sliced up lemons just for a little bit extra kick. But that's all you need. A lot of that flavor is going to be in your butter sauce. I'm going to go ahead and let my sausage cook and then add my shrimp in just for a few minutes until they turn pink and then remove everything from my bowl. And that's it. I just drizzle my butter over everything. Make sure to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top. I know it is a lot of ingredients, y'all, but trust me, it is delicious.